Welcome back to the new video. In the heart of Los Angeles, a city that never sleeps, a quiet night turned into chaos. The year was 2025, and the city was about to face one of the most devastating fires in its history. It started with a spark, an ember carried by unrelenting winds during one of California's driest summers. Experts had warned of the dangers, but no one could have predicted the scale of what was about to unfold. On the night of a small brush fire in Griffith Park escalated into an uncontrollable blaze. Fueled by strong Santa Ana winds, the fire surged toward the city, devouring everything in its path. Over 3,000 firefighters from across the state were deployed. Helicopters roared overhead, dropping water and fire retardants, while ground crews fought tirelessly to contain the inferno. Firefighter interview. Actual dialogue. We've faced fires before, but this one, it felt alive, like it had a mind of its own. Nearly 250,000 residents were forced to flee their homes, leaving behind memories, possessions, and sometimes loved ones. The fire claimed 45 lives and injured hundreds, leaving a scar not just on the landscape, but on the hearts of its people. We lost everything. My home, my neighborhood, it's all gone. But we're alive, and that's what matters. The fire left a trail of destruction, burning over 100,000 acres and reducing neighborhoods to ash. Iconic landmarks like the Griffith Observatory narrowly escaped devastation, while others weren't as fortunate. The environmental impact was catastrophic. Native wildlife populations were displaced, and the region's already fragile ecosystem faced further strain. In the aftermath, Los Angeles showed its resilience. Communities came together, offering shelter, food, and hope to those affected. The city began to rebuild, stronger and more united than ever. This fire took so much from us, but it also reminded us of what truly matters: our family, our community, and our ability to persevere. From the ashes of tragedy came lessons for the future: stricter fire safety regulations, improved infrastructure, and community preparedness became the focus to prevent such a disaster from happening again. The fire of 2025 will forever be etched in the history of Los Angeles, a testament to nature's power and humanity's resilience. Though the flames have long been extinguished, their memory serves as a reminder of both fragility and strength. Los Angeles will continue to rise as it always has, undaunted, unbroken, and united. We also have prayers for the victims and the strong people of California who built amazing resilience to face this disaster. It's life, and these things have to come and go. We should never give up on these and make ourselves failure. To these obstacles, we must always come back stronger. Hit the subscribe and like the video if you have not done yet, and show your love with the strong people of California in the comments below.